Hello, hello, hello! Happy day, world! Welcome to the Foreigner in Croatia. Zdravo svima, dobrodošli na moj kanal. Good day, everyone! Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ug mayong adlaw, Cebu! Yes. That's it. Yes.
It's very hot.
Of course. That's neat. Ito'y piglat.
That has something press.
Okay, no need be. Okay, basta.
Oh.
That's it. So, ayan guys. Happy day, world. Welcome to the Foreigner in Croatia. So, for today's edition, so we have a Filipino Christmas party, guys. So, ayan, damit na tayo. Makeup na lang tayo, guys. So, simple ang ating makeup ngayon. Let's do this. Simple ang ating gagamitin, guys. Ito lang siya, mga Maybelline products. At saka itong sponge. So, lipstick at ganito at saka kilay. Yun lang naman. Simple. Yan, simple lang, guys. Na ito lang. Wala na akong mga primer. Wala na akong mga ganyan-ganyan. Susda. Ganyan lang. Simple lang. Parang pulbos. Now, another Maybelline. Pulbos na ito powder. And now, another Maybelline lipstick. So, magre-red tayo. Kaya motif namin is a shades of green and red. So, yan. Mag-lipstick. Dito tayo, guys. Now, mag-mascara. Last pa pala ito. So, sa kilay natin ito. Magpahulma-hulma ta. Tadaan! Another one. Tadaan! Sus na maurag yun. Guys, tapos nating mata. So, ito yung gamit ko from my friends sa USA. So, at saka estilo there. So, yan lang sila. Meron ba? May pagbabago ba? Dito na tayo, guys, sa ating piluka. Yan. Yan, tapos lagyan natin ng mascara. The same Maybelline product talaga ako, guys. So, ayan. Mga matagal na itong mga ano ko, Sharon. Hindi pa siguro ito ma-expire. So, ito na. I-off natin, guys, para makakuha. Klaro ba, guys, yung isa? Sa left. Ito, Maybelline din, guys. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa eyelid. Ayan, eyelid na tayo. Bawal umiyak. Okay. Ayan na, guys, umiyak na tayo. Shout out Maybelline product. Yan na siguro, guys, eh. Tama na yan. Ayun na, guys, ang ating looks, final looks. At nasunog, napan ko, guys, sa mantika, sa ano siya, mantika sa lumpia. So, first time na dinanghag. So, ayan, ating pilok sa ating buhok. Isa. That's it. Ang ating, ito lang, guys, ang ating jewelry, ating Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. So, here's my final look. Okay na ba yan, guys? So, yan na. Yan lang. Simple lang. So, let's go to the party venue. So, let's go, guys. Ang dami kong dala. Dala ko. Yan. So, let's go. Vecher. Okay lang? Magdag-vlog ako, Nagkuhan na ka number? Oh, nice lagi kayo niyo.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Kuhaan na sila.
Hello guys, welcome to Chanel's vlog. settle down. Ang mga single ha, settle down. Charot lang. Kapag mimik pa na. Okay. Magandang gabi. I am glad seeing you all excited and so eager to celebrate your Christmas parties.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Oliver Dragomir. I love Oliver.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
Guys, listen. You need to put the spoon in your mouth. Look. Turn around. And show us wrong. And go back to the back on the next layer of the door. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, wait. Sabay. Kaya. Ikaw na nakuha ang next layer. Okay, right?
our hearts beat. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. It's the afternoon, we lay awake in bed.
So, ayan guys. So, I'm home na. Pagod sa alas 12 na. alas 12han ko. So, ayan na nga guys. So, maligo na tayo. Mag-remove na tayo sa ating makeup. Ayan. Dagan kaya nanipid na ako gibutangan na nga mascara. So, ayan. Wala na tayo lipstick. I hope you like this video guys. If you did, please give me a like, share, comments, and subscribe. So this has been Mel from the Porina in Croatia. Up until next video guys. Papa, bless you all.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.